Welcome guys, I'm going to show you how to send quality images on WhatsApp. Now, if on default you decide to send an image, this is actually how a lot of people send image. Either they click on this icon and then they select image and then choose the image and send. That is the first way some people do it. Or they do this, they click here and then go to gallery and then choose the image. That is actually how they send the image. But I just sent these two images. Now, if you notice, this is the size of the image, 113 kilobytes. The same thing with this. If you want to confirm that, click on it and then you save it up. So when you save it up, it's going to save on your gallery, and you can go over to your gallery and you confirm the size. Now this is the image, three-dotted icon, and then you click on file info. You are going to see the size. You can see it, 123 is actually the size, and it's in kilobyte. So it is not even the same size with the original. The original is 113, if you remember. Now if you want an image to be of high quality or to be the exact quality of the image you're sending, click on this three-dotted icon and then you choose document, and then you locate where that image is saved. For my case, is under download, but I can just click on image and I will have it appear. These are different images I have on my device, but this is the one I want to use. You can see they are the same. So I can click right here, double click on it, and you can see the file name, and you can see the size, 2.9 megabytes. You send it. So when you send this, it's going to send at the exact size of the image, which is 2.9. So we are going to allow this to load, and once it's done, you are going to see the exact size on the other device. Alright, so the image has sent successfully, and I've actually downloaded it because my internet is slow, so I took time to download it before starting the video. So now you can see they are exactly the same name and exactly the same size. Now it did not reduce any quality, and this is what I mean by you sending a quality image. Now you might not too notice the difference between this and this. This is the one that was from the device, right? But then this is the one that I sent from WhatsApp. You might not too notice the difference, but there is actually a little difference. If you are a designer, you will be able to spot this difference. But if you are not a designer, you might not be able to know the difference. So somebody send you this image, wow, this looks nice. But then a designer tell you that this image loses quality because it loses quality when you zoom in deep. You can notice it starts getting pixelated too quick. But now this is the original, and you open it and then you zoom in and you can see it is not losing pixel. Like you can see it is not losing pixel compared to this. When you zoom in, you can see they lose pixel when the image is pixelated, probably with a smaller oh, I was actually watching the wrong one. If the image is sent with a smaller pixel, it loses pixel, is in pixel. But then if it's in NP, which is retaining the exact pixel, you are going to see the difference in the image. You might not spot the difference, but a good person will spot it. So this is actually how to send quality image on WhatsApp. Tell the difference by looking at the size of the image. Probably you might not be able to tell if you are zooming in on mobile. Now this is all I want to share with you on this video, and I hope it's helpful. If you like this video, smash like, and I will see you guys on the next one. Stay safe and peace.